Okay, once again there was a crash, even though what I wrote is just a comment. That's even enough to crash the stream. Oh, it's really frustrating. Now it's also not reacting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will not talk any longer. Just wanted to say that this is the first part here, and after the tracking has been done, like after this line 353, after that I will directly add a new loop. Oh, that's not possible to add a loop. Yeah, I will open a file here in line 346, I believe. And in every loop iteration, I will print a new line for the current motion hypothesis. And after the loop is completed, I will close the file, and I think this will do it. Yeah, I will also comment out this block here because I do not want to break out the loop. I want to definitely loop over every single motion hypothesis that is available, all those 83 elements in this list. And hopefully I will then get 2 files for every frame. First my initial tries, and secondly my optimized tries, which I then can visualize. So that's the idea. I'm sorry that I cannot show it on stream. I would love to show it on stream, but it's not possible, as you noticed. And therefore, let's hope for the best. And in the next part, when I'm finished with this task, I will present what I have done and if it worked. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for accepting the problems with the stream. Thank you for following, if you are following. I really appreciate it. Please keep on commenting. Follow whatever. It will just help my channel, be it on Twitch, be it on YouTube. Give me feedback, please, if you have an idea what I can do with the Visual Studio Code to make it work. Please, I would highly appreciate your ideas and your suggestions. And even about the LDSO, code-wise or mathematical-wise, if you know what a null space is, please feel free to explain it to me and to other users. Let's try to learn the best from this live stream. And with these words, I want to thank you again and wish you a great day, night, or whatever it is on your side, and hopefully see you next time. Goodbye.